We are shaping the future with the power of the past. Here it is, the point where power and technology meet, the most powerful solution of Liv Makina. T-ROX 3-axis 65 CNC Tube Bending Machine. The technology that pushes the limits in tube and profile bending is now on the stage with its bending capacity up to 65 mm. T-ROX easily shapes even the most challenging forms with the quality and engineering of Liv Makina. Makes tough jobs easier for you. Maximum power, minimum effort with a hydraulic bending system. Zero error, perfect compatibility with SolidWorks-compatible drawing transfer. Compact design, giant performance, with automatic tube length calculation and 3D simulation screen. See collisions in advance. Don't manage time, manage efficiency. With T-ROX, speed up your work, eliminate errors, stay ahead of the competition. Liv Makina, Turkey's unbending power.